How's it going down there? What's up, guys? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? I'm in a creeper standpoint position right now. This is like ultimate creeper status. I feel really creepy down here for some odd reason. I don't know why, don't ask me, but anyway, hey, how's it going? It's Mark. What's going on, guys? This, my friends, is a 2004 Ford F-350 Lariat. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck, and my God, is it fun as hell to drive. Such a friggin' blast. This is actually my next door neighbor's brother's truck from Florida. Big shout out to him. So his truck's directly from Florida. No rust whatsoever. The bed rails are intact. Cab corners, rocker panels, fender wells. You name it, everything is good, good, good. We got a whole bunch of goodies to go over, so stay tuned. Let's check it out. Come on. We're gonna start off first with the truck itself as far as the wheel and tire combo go. This, my friends, is an American Force 22x12. I forgot the name of the damn wheel. Independence or something like that. I should have studied before I came. Didn't do my homework, guys. Anyways, it's mounted on a set of 33 1250 22-inch amp. I think they are. Yeah, amp mud terrains, and they're an aggressive tire, super aggressive sidewall. You can see right here. And it continues all the way to the front. The footprint is absolutely massive on these, and that's how I like them. They're really, really nice looking. We got full clearance from right to left. I want to say this is like a 3-inch kit on here, 3 or 4-inch kit. Twin tower shocks right here. We have, let's go on to the front right here. I think we got dual steering stabilizer. Nope, single steering stabilizer shock. All the brakes are good. All the joints are good. And as you can see under here, guys, besides the bird crap that I'm sitting right next to right here, there's no rust and everything's in great shape. No leaks, nothing like that. You get right up under this truck and you won't be disappointed. Leaf spring front end, solid axle. Let's go around to the rear. We got brand new headlights right here. This is a 07 front end conversion. Truck's an 04, like I was telling you. I hope it's right in 04. Yeah, 04. But it's got a 07 front end, brand new 07 headlights, 07 grill with the Peterbilt logo. A lot of you guys, you Ford guys out there running the Peterbilt. I mean, it's preference, whatever you want to run, to each his own. So we got the 08 plus mirrors right here. Beautiful step rails. Keypad on the door. Let's pop the hood and I'll go under there. Before I pop the hood, I'll show you. It's got a SCT tune on it. And the greatest thing of all, let's go under the hood and check it out. I hope you guys are enjoying everything of this, because I'm really in tune to all that's going on. And it's got Recon cab lights up top. It looks very, very aggressive. And they're white LEDs. So when you're driving down the road, it's just a super aggressive standpoint to really base your truck off of how wide it looks with the cab lights and the tow mirrors. It all fits in really well. Let's go under the hood and scope it out. Come on outside, I'll show you what's going on. Boom! Oh, make sure I can't hold the hood up. So as you can see, cold weather does a lot of weird things, especially with batteries and having the hood not stay up with the shocks. It probably needs new shocks, but they're only 10 bucks at AutoZone, whatever. As you can see right off the bat, guys, this truck has an abundance of Sinister diesel components. But the main biggest thing of all, the best part about it, is it's studded. So it's got ARP head studs, EGR delete, oil cooler, Sinister diesel. We put a brand new hose on here. This hose broke, Noah. You know why it broke, Noah?
Cold weather.
Cold weather. Yeah, right. We put brand new batteries in this truck. 2 brand new batteries. When Noah's putting it in, it was a common mistake. Hit the hose. But what we did is we redecorated it here to really make sure it fits really nice and it's not going to rub against here. Guys, you're going to have a lot of these components that are steel braided lines that you have rubbing up against other ones. And you got to understand, you're dealing with moving stuff on here. The engine is held on by motor mounts and transmission mounts, so that does move. When you shut the hood, it's going to wear spots on it. But anyways, this is your Sinister diesel oil cooler right here. Oil filter. You got a Sinister diesel coolant filter with a direct shut off. And it goes right back into the filters itself, into the engine filler cap right here. You have all the nice Sinister diesel lines and fitted. This truck was built correct. Sinister diesel cold air intake system with the Sinister diesel filtration filter right here. And as you can see, you can't really see it close up, but it is studded. You probably won't be able to get a glimpse in there. How many minutes we are? All right, 5 minutes. We got to roll quick then. So it's got a whole bunch of goodies. It really runs phenomenal. I mean, this truck gets down. It's built right, full exhaust. Let's go check the underside of it though. And it is a long bed, and it's got the nice cap on it. I think this is a Anchor truck. Yeah, Anchor truck cap, Salem, Virginia. We'll pop the back and show you guys what's up. Look at that. Spray and bed liner. Once again with the back end, the whole tailgate and the back end is off of a 12, I think. The whole entire bed, no, I'm sorry. My fault. The whole entire bed, this whole entire bed, bumper, taillights, back tailgate, and everything is off of a 2012 or 14, I forget what it was specifically. You can tell off the bat from looking at the side of it, just because the fender line, the indentation of the factory body molding, or factory body line, as opposed to, you know, other components of the truck. But the good part is the lower body line lines up perfectly. So it's all a whole bunch of goodies on this truck. Carpet up top. I think there's lights in there too. Yeah, lights in here. So it's just a really, really well put together truck. And it's a locking bed cap. We got the key right here for it. Locking bed cap right there. You can lock it. Matter of fact, we'll lock that right now. People are stealing stuff, guys. People are stealing stuff. Yeah, I think that's how you lock it. There we go. LED taillights right here. Look. Oop. I shut it off. What did I do? Oh well, I unlocked it. Here it is. And license plate, bolts. The shut up. The light. I'm so OCD. The license.
You didn't know what to say, so you said bolt.
Say what?
License plate bolt. You didn't know what to say. You were trying to think about the light.
You're right.
You said license plate bolts. Guys, these are the best screws out there, Mark.
Shut up, I'll punch you in the balls, faggot. Punch you in the nuts. So Noah called me out. So Noah called me out. He's right. I didn't know what to say. I was trying to think of something fast, like when you're in the ring and you're trying to do your thing and you get hit and you're stunned. I was stunned. Okay, guys. Anyways, it's got brand new license plate bolts. Okay. The bulbs are brand new in here too. LED bulbs in here. You can't really see it. License plate bulb. Third brake light incorporated into the bottom part of the bumper. Let's get on the side of the truck. Ready? Check this out. Full exhaust, and it's a full 4-inch turbo back exhaust system going to I want to say it's a 10-inch tip, 10 or so inch tip. Awesome setup. It really is. The interior. Let's move on to the interior. Go around the other side. I'll show you the interior. So the interior, bone stock. Besides some LED, I just burped. Besides some LED lights and a horn that works, you guys want to know the mileage. Ready for this one? Put in the comment below what you think the mileage is. Ready? Go. I'm gonna look at the timing of your comment versus the timing of right now to see if you guess correctly without cheating. You ready? You give up? 209,000 miles. But it's a difference between being Southern truck and well-maintained versus these trucks, these F-Series trucks, the older generations that people dog the hell out of. This one's been very well-maintained. Full drive, rear sliding window, ice cold AC, hot heat, your compass up top, Lariat in the seats. The seats are in great shape besides a few little wear cracks right there. And that's really it. There's probably more I'm forgetting about to say about the truck, but the carpet's in. Look how well maintained the carpet is. It's phenomenal. It really is. The mats are great. No lights on the dash. And like I said, you get your SCT tuner over here that you can monitor your gauges, and it clips right in. You got your. I'm going to talk louder. You got your SCT gauges. You can monitor your turbo, your boost, your injection control pressure, your FICM, your RPMs, your battery voltage. FICM is fuel injection control module. Coolant temp is coolant temp. Trans temp. Yeah, a whole bunch of goodies. Anyways, let's get on with the rest of the show. But that's it. So hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark signing out. I'm gonna do a walk around the truck and I'll see you later. Oh, here's the VIN number. Oh, yes, I forgot the biggest part. Cube lights. We were able to fit cube lights, or rigid cube lights. They put cube lights into where the factory fog lights go. So it's really well put together. It's really thought of, and the truck was built really well. There's your block heater right there. Plug it in those cold nights, and that's all I have to say about the war in Vietnam. Hubs were great, big studs on the wheels, and oh look, a squirrel.
Yeah.
No, that's all right. Well, here's the back wheel. Check this out. The fronts don't have the center caps in them because there's locking hubs. The backs do have the center caps in them, but we got to get on with the video. So we're going to do this now, and see you guys later. Hope you guys are doing great. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.